Welcome to the Dynamic Techie. Today I am going to cover most asked Java interview question. So let's start. My first question is, tell me about some OOPS concepts in Java. So the answer will be the basic OOPS concept, object-oriented programming concepts in Java are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. This is the very basic concept, very basic question in Java, but you should prepare for this question also. So yeah, let's go to the next question. Why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance? Okay, the answer will be multiple inheritance is not supported because it leads to deadly diamond problem. In multiple inheritance, the compiler may confuse from which parent class it should inherit. So the multiple inheritance problem is like concept is like if a subclass have uh, more than one parent class, then this concept is called multiple inheritance, but this concept is not allowed in Java. Why it is not allowed? Because it leads to the deadly diamond problem and the compiler may confuse from which parent class it should inherit. For that reason, memory duplication may happen. So, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. But in Java, we can achieve multiple inheritance through interfaces only. Okay, a class can implement any number of interfaces, but can extend only one class. So, a class can extend only one class and any number of interfaces it can implement. So, let's go to the next question. Why Java doesn't have any concept of pointer? So those who are belong to C and C++, they have the concept of pointer. So this concept of pointer is not allowed in Java. Java doesn't have this concept of pointer. Why? The answer will be, the first point is pointers lead to confuse for a programming. Okay. So using pointer, if we want to solve any question or any problem, then it sometimes may be the cause of confusion. Okay, and the using a pointer, a program become very complex, so it sometimes may be the cause of confusion of a program. Okay, so the next point is pointer may crash a program easily. For example, when we add two pointers, the program crashes immediately. So we can't add two pointers. Okay. The same thing could also happen when we forgot to free the memory allotted to a variable and reallot it to some other variable. So we have to use free. Okay. So the next point is pointers break security. So in security purpose also the pointer may not be good sometimes. Using pointers, harmful programs like virus and other hacking programs can be developed. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. What is interface? So the interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. Okay, there can be only abstract methods in the Java interface and not method body. Okay, so the in abstract method we have uh, not we don't have any method body. It is used to achieve abstraction. So interface is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. As we have already seen on the previous slide that if we want to achieve multiple inheritance in Java, then we can use interface. it has static constants and abstract methods. So it has only static constants, static variables and abstract methods. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Okay. This is a basic example of an interface. So to achieve interface, we have to use the interface keyword, as you can see here. And in this interface, we have an abstract method. As you can see that this method has no method body. So this class A implements this printable interface here. And in this class A, we have declared this print method. And here in this print method, we have the method body. So here we have the system.out.println hello world. Okay. So in this main method, we have created an object of this class A. Okay. And with this object, we just call this print method. And if we compile and run this program, then the output will be hello world. So this is a very basic, program of interface. Okay, let's go to the next question. Difference between interface and abstract class. Okay, so in interface can have only abstract methods. So other methods is not allowed. Only the abstract methods is allowed in interface. But in abstract class, we can have abstract class and non-abstract method also. I mean abstract method and non-abstract methods also. In abstract class, we have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods. I mean normal method is also allowed in abstract class. So let's go to the next point. Interface supports multiple inheritance. Abstract class doesn't support multiple inheritance. Yeah, of course, in interface, we only can achieve multiple inheritance concept in Java through interfaces only. Okay, so let's go to the third point. Interface has only static and final variables. But in abstract classes, we can have both final and non-final, static and non-static variables. So my fourth point is interface can't provide implementation of abstract class. An abstract class can provide implementation of interface. So let's go to the fifth point. An interface can extend another Java interfaces only. But an abstract class can extend another Java class and implement multiple Java interfaces. Okay. So let's go to the sixth point. The interface keyword is used to declare interface, but in abstract class, we have to use abstract keyword to declare abstract class. Okay. So the basic example of interface, and this is the basic example of abstract class. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next slide. What is exception? And tell us some types of exception you have seen. This is a basic question, but sometimes it can be asked in interview. I mean, my interviewer also asked me this question. So for that reason, I thought this can be an important question. Okay, so let's go to the answer part. So what will be the answer of this question? An exception is an unwanted or unexpected event which occurs during the execution of a program at runtime that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instructions. Okay, so if we have exception in a program, then that disrupts the normal flow of the program. Okay, so the next question is tell us some types of exception you have seen. This question also asked by my interviewee. Okay, so the types of exception in Java, there are a lot of, but we have some examples, some types here, as you can see. So the first is arithmetic exception, second is class not found exception, another one is file not found exception, and fourth one is IO exception, fifth one is array index out of bound exception, etc. I mean, there are a lot of exception, but this is some basic exception as you can see here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.